Hi, welcome to Rado's Baking Lab. For our sweet adventure today, we're whipping up a delectable chocolate sponge cake. Perfectly light, irresistibly chocolatey. Let's bake a masterpiece in minutes. Ready? First things first, set the oven to 170 Celsius and get an 8-inch baking mold ready. Spray the mold with baking oil, spread it evenly, and line the bottom with baking paper. Next, sift the flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder, then mix them together. Crack the eggs into a large bowl, add the sugar, and start mixing. Whip it to a foamy stage. When the egg becomes fluffy, gradually add the dry ingredients in 3 to 4 batches and fold them in. Add vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and milk. Keep folding. Pour the cake batter into the baking mold and bake it in the preheated oven for 60 minutes. Once the cake is baked, cool it down on a cooling rack upside down, so your cake won't become dense. And that's our chocolate sponge cake. You can transform it into a layered chocolate ganache cake, a tiramisu with a twist, or simply enjoy it with a dusting of powdered sugar and fresh berries. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for baking along with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspirations.